Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make some Campfire s'mores Rice Krispie Treats. This is gonna be the hit of any summertime barbecue, 4th of July. Anytime you're outside, you're gonna impress your kids, you're gonna impress your neighbors. They're all gonna love this, you yourself included. You don't wanna miss this. So first, what we're gonna do, what I like to do is just get my dry ingredients ready first. So the Rice Krispie Treats and the graham crackers. So this is gonna call for 7 cups of crispy rice cereal. Now after we get those 7 cups mixed up, taking 2 packs of graham crackers. We're just gonna break these up by hand. Break. And we just wanna crumble these up. And then take our other pack out. With this other pack though, we're gonna leave 1 graham cracker in. Doesn't seem like a lot, and it's really not. We're just gonna use it for some extra garnish on the top of our Rice Krispie Treats whenever we're all done. So now that we got all but 1 graham cracker broken up, you can either use your spoon, you can use a hand, but just get in here, you just wanna toss all this so it's already mixed up. So now that we got this all mixed up, now let's get started on this marshmallow and butter mixture that we're gonna add to this. So now we're gonna get this marshmallow sauce going. I got 5 tablespoons of butter right here. Got my pans already nice and warm. Probably need to turn it down a little bit. You don't really wanna burn this. Just wanna get all this stuff melted. So we're gonna take about a tablespoon of vanilla extract and pour it in. One thing a little different, I have about ½ a cup of condensed milk that I'm gonna add in here. This is gonna make your Rice Krispie Treats just that much more gooey. And then now, I have a 16-ounce bag of marshmallows. I'm gonna use about 13 ounces of it. We're just gonna melt these down, and I'm gonna save that last little bit to add on the top. So now that we got this going low and slow, you just want to make sure you watch it. Keep constantly stirring it. You don't want any of this to stick to the bottom. Just keep it nice until it gets nice and melted and all incorporated. So now that we got our marshmallow mixture done, we're going straight into our Rice Krispies with the graham crackers all broken up. And while this is still warm, we are going to mix it all together, try to incorporate it best we can. Try to get all this marshmallow mixture incorporated over all these Rice Krispies and graham crackers. And then what we're also gonna do, once this mixture cools down slightly, we will add in some chocolate chips and some more marshmallows so you get that full s'more flavor. So once you have all this mixed up and incorporated, you want to let the mixture cool down just slightly. You still want to be able to move it, because now we're going to add in those last 3 ounces of our marshmallows. And then after we add in those, we're going to add in about 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips. And now we're gonna go in for another stir. Now I have a 9x13 casserole pan ready. So we're just gonna take our mixture out, put it all in here. Now that I have this here, I'll leave these sides up a little bit so I can fold them down. And if there's a little bit uncovered Rice Krispie Treat, take out another piece and I put it over top. Then I like to take a burger press and really smash these down in here. And by smashing these down in here, you make sure everything is incorporated all that mixture is together, the Rice Krispie Treats form and pack together, so it's a nice solid bite. So now we're gonna make these into campfire style. So I'm just take out some more marshmallows and we're just gonna pour these out over top. Spread them all out. So now that we have all our marshmallows spread out, I just kind of press them down a little bit with my hands to make sure they stick to the Rice Krispie Treats themselves since they're still a little gooey at the top. Now to turn them into campfire marshmallows, I have a torch. If you don't have a torch, you can always put your oven on broil. You just put them in there for 1-2 minutes. All you're basically kind of trying to do is just like when you put your marshmallow over that open flame, it's just gonna get it nice and brown or black, however you like it, charred. So now that I got it going, let's go in here, char up all my marshmallows over top. You'll probably get a few flames here and there. It's okay. That is expected. Just like whenever you're making marshmallows over the open fire, just blow out the marshmallow whenever you want. That last graham cracker that I told you about, we're now going to take out and we're just going to crumble it, put some dust over the top. And then I like to get out my little microblade, take a few of these last little chocolate chip pieces and just kind of add some shaved milk chocolate over the top. You don't have to do this. It's kind of tedious, to be honest with you, but I just like to add that little bit of milk chocolate shaved over the top. Now that you've toasted the top, added your graham crackers, added your shaved chocolate, you can take it out of the casserole pan, put it directly on a cutting board. So let me get this taste going for you. Regrettably, I know. But I just want to show you this. See what this gooey pool comes from by adding that condensed milk to these. As you can tell, held together. Nice goo. This is for y'all. Tastes like a fall night in Indiana growing up. Nothing better.